Welcome back. We're going to work on subtraction today. Okay, so last time we worked with these counters, we did some addition work. And today we're going to work on the opposite of addition, which is called subtraction. Okay. Who can tell me what that symbol is in a subtraction problem? Anybody remember? Minus. 5 minus 1 equals 4. That minus means my answer is going to be a lower or smaller number than what I started with. Okay? So if we have 5, put that one down there because we don't need it right now. 5 minus 1. That means I'm going to take away that 1 and I'm left with 4. 5 minus 1 equals 4, and that is what we have up top. Okay, let's do another one. Let's do this one using our fingers, okay? All right, so let's do, I'm going to have you read it to me. You read it. Did you say 3 minus 2 equals, what did you say the answer was? Let's do this one on our fingers. 3 minus 2. 1, 2. I'm left with 1. Let's look at it with our counters. There's 3. It wants me to minus 2. Gone. I'm left with 1 counter. Okay. I am going to do one on my fingers. You tell me what you want me to write on my board. Are you ready? Okay. What did I do? Tell me what you want me to write. 4, I started with 4, and then I took 1 down, so that's going to be minus. How many did I take down? 1. And what was I left with? 3. Did you say, Miss Davidson, write 4 minus 1 equals 3? I hope so. Good job. Okay, let's do one more. I'm going to do it with my fingers again. You ready? This is going to be a trickier one. Okay, ready for it again? Here it is. That's what I'm starting with. Okay, tell me what to write. Good, I started with 6. And the symbol I'm going to use is a minus sign. Good job. How many fingers did I take down? 2. And then what's that symbol that's going to go next? So I have 6 minus 2 equals... How many fingers did I have up when I was all done? 4. You got it. 6 minus 2 equals 4. Now let's do it with our counters. Here we have 6 pattern, and I'm going to take those 2 away, and I'm left with 4. Good job. Okay. So very similar to the game that we did with addition, we can play a subtraction game with 2 dice. Okay, but this time the numbers are only going to be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5. And here's why. If I roll a 6 and a 6, 6 minus 6 is 0. And the opposite end, if I did the highest number I have minus the lowest number I have, I can only go as low as a 5. So this game only has the numbers 0 through 5. Okay, let's practice. And again, you can use your fingers. You can use counters if you have counters at home. They don't need to be these kind of counters. They can be anything. You could have, I have a whole pile of dice here. You could use anything that you have at your house that you have 6 of. That's all you need. Okay, so I rolled and I got a 4 and I got a 1. So remember, you're doing 4 minus 1. Okay, 4 minus the other number. So I have 4, I'm starting with 4, and then I'm going to take away the 1, and I am left with 3. So I'm done with my 3. Okay, my partner would go, cross off whatever they got. Oh, this time I got a 4 and a 2. So I have to start with my larger number of 4, and then I'm going to take away 2. So I started with 4 again, and this time I'm going to take away 2, and I'm left with 2, and I would cross it off. I have a 6 and a 4. I'm going to do this one with my fingers. 6, and I have to take away 4. So instead of counting by ones, I'm just going to quickly take those 4 away because I know right here are 4 fingers. So I'm going to do 6, take away 4. And what am I left with? 2. Oh, but I go to cross it off and my 2's already crossed off. So my turn is over and it would go to my partner to play. And we're trying to see who can cross off the numbers 0 through 5 first. Okay. If you have a way to make a die with larger numbers, I have really cool ones that have all sorts of different numbers on them, like 8 and 9 and 7. And then I have these crazy looking ones with all sorts of numbers on them. You can absolutely use larger numbers if you can, but with 2 regular dice with 1 through 6 on them, these are the numbers that you will be able to do with subtraction. Those are the differences that you will be able to have. Okay? Have fun playing with somebody at home. Bye, guys.